Good morning dear parents and students. You are watching EduStar Class 5 Science Review Program. We have learnt and completed 3 lessons in science, isn't it? Lesson 1 Reproduction in Plants, Lesson 2 Lifestyles of Animals, and Lesson 3 Bones and Muscles. Children, now it's a time to recall the completed lessons with the written workouts. So dear students, we plan to give some written work for you now. It will be very helpful to recall the concepts of the completed lessons. Shall we do, dear children? Dear parents, please guide your kids to complete the given written workouts. Students, after completing, you have to take a snap of all completed homework pages in your notebook and book exercises also. Then you have to send that to our email ID which you are seeing in this video now. We will check your homework, and if needed, then teachers we will contact your parents and discuss about your written work. It will be helpful to complete the homework properly the next time. Okay children, let's see today's homework. Now we are going to do lesson 1 Reproduction in Plants book back exercises. First you have to take 80 pages ruled notebook. Already in our last video I have given instruction to write the name of the lesson, isn't it? First take one new page in and draw a line on the top red color margin, then leave that first blue line. Then draw a line on the second blue line. Now we can write the name of the first lesson, lesson 1 Reproduction in Plants, in the first blue line in between the two lines which you have drawn. Okay, is it clear? You have to use black stick pen for writing the name of the lesson, questions and headings also. Write the answers with blue pen. Clear? Okay, let's start to write. First we are going to write question and answer. Exercise A. Answer the following question. Here we are going to write 3 questions with answer now. Question number 1, 4 and 10. Start to write like this. First Roman letter, question and answer. Then write the first question. What are the different ways in which plants can reproduce? Then refer page number 5 in your book to find the answer for this question. In this page, you can find out there are 3 ways in which a plant can reproduce. You can write that 3 ways. Then draw a line with pencil and scale and then start to write the next 4th question. 4th question is, list the agents of dispersal. Refer page number 6 and 7 to write the answer for this 4th question. You can see agents of dispersal heading in this page. Under the heading explosion, dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animals and dispersal by fire. Write only the name of the dispersal source. No need to write any explanation. Next, 10th question. Question is, define pollination, dispersal of seeds, organic fertilizers, germination, vegetative reproduction and reproduction. For pollination, you have to refer page number 6 in your book. Under the seed and fruit formation, the first line, the transfer of pollen grains from the male part of a flower to the female part which contains the ovules is called pollination. This line alone you have to write for this pollination. The next one, dispersal of seeds. The same page, under the dispersal of seeds heading, you can find the answer. Dispersal means, the second line, dispersal means scattering of the seeds far from the parent plant before they touch the soil. This line you have to write. Next, organic fertilizers, you have to take page number 10. The page number 10, under the growing healthy crops heading, the second point, second line, organic fertilizers or manures or natural fertilizers. These are obtained from cow dung or dead and decaying plants. This alone you have to write for this organic fertilizers. Next, germination. For germination, page number 8. You have to refer that page number 8. Under the germination heading, germination is a process by which a seed becomes a seedling or a young plant. This line alone you have to write for this germination. Next, vegetative reproduction. Refer page number 9. The first line, many plants can develop into new plants from their stem, leaves or roots. This is called vegetative reproduction. The next, what is reproduction? You have to write the reproduction definition, the page number 5. The first line, living things produce young ones like themselves. This is called reproduction. Next, exercise D. Give 2 examples of each. Write Roman letter 2 and write the heading, give 2 examples of each. First one, Rabi crops, and put 1 hyphen and write the 2 examples for this, wheat, gram. Then write number 2, Kharif crops, 3 chemical fertilizers. You have to write like that. Next exercise, E. Give reasons for each. Write Roman letter 3 and write the heading, give reasons for each. First question, disposal of seed is essential. Why seeds needs to be disposed? Think and write the reason for this. Next question, fertilizers are added to the soil by farmers. Why farmers are using fertilizer? This is a question. Think and write the reason for this. Third question, a seed kept in the refrigerator does not germinate. Why? Write the reason. Then all of you take page number 11 in your book. Complete the exercise B, fill in the blanks, and next page, page number 12, true or false also. You have to use only pencil to write the answers in your book. Then last one, you have to do an activity. Take a flower like the hibiscus and observe the different parts: petals, sepals, stamen, pollen grains, stigma, style and ovary. Identify these parts and keep each part separately for display. Then take a snap of these parts of a flower and send to us. Children, you can do better, you can write neatly, you can complete it properly, isn't it? Have a good day. We will meet soon in our next review program. Thank you, dear children.